So students, last class we started to discuss about we started the new chapter, that is ninth chapter, table and the constraints and DML commands and DDL commands also how to use in the table, I mean in the relation, that also we discussed. And last class, especially last class, we started to discuss about the constraints, type of constraints, and how to apply the primary constraint alone. We have discussed in the table with the example. We created one table with the primary key, how to set the primary key, what is the use of primary key, this concept and all we have seen. And later part we started to discuss about this what is the full copy, selected a specific column alone, how to take a copy of a table, that is the entire table, how to take a copy, another copy, or specific columns alone how to take, or based on the records, based on the given condition, how to select the copy the record from one table to another table. This concept we have discussed. Okay, that was the thing. And let me see the some basic DREAL command, that is the data definition commands we are going to see. That also we discuss adding a new column, dropping a column, modify the column data type, and changing the name of the column. Okay, or adding or dropping the constraints, how to add the constraint, you know that, or how to delete the constraint also we are going to see. This concept we are going to see. Afterwards we'll again come to the constraints, remaining constraint, unique constraint, how to use, check constraint, how to use. Okay, with that one table we will complete the constraints and the DDL commands also. Once we completed those things means at last we will discuss about the foreign key. Okay, how to create the two tables and how to establish the foreign key, that is establish a relation using the foreign key concepts. Okay, what are the concepts are there? On, delete, cascade, and update cascade, two type of concepts are there. What is the use of the concept and all we will discuss at the end of the class, I mean end of this chapter. Okay, let me enter into the basic commands. Okay, last class we already seen that how to add a new column to the existing table. Okay, we added city, have you remember it? Already we created
Yes,
one
sir.
table and we added the what is the thing, new column. Okay, so likewise we discussed it, and it was null because that is the default constraint we given, default is null means. Okay, so default constraint, one more thing is there. Okay, anyhow I will show everything in the SQL for your better purpose, clarity. 1 minute. So let me get hanged 1 minute. Yeah, so I will just open my SQL. So let me see the databases. Our database is NCRT, so directly we can give the command use NCRT. Okay, okay, database now changed. So we want to see what are the tables are there. We created many tables, show tables is the command I just used. You can see emp1 duplicate one, that is how to copy. For that concept we are using duplicate one, duplicate two, duplicate three. Okay, and employee is one of the table. Let me see the employee table. Okay, select
Yes, sir.
all from employee. Okay, so if I just given, that means of course these are all the, okay, only one data is there, I think so. Okay, whatever it is, so only one data is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have copied
Sir, I
something.
think we deleted all that.
Okay, okay, that may be okay.
So
So
EMP duplicate 3 to 1, it will contain some more.
yes, yes. So let me check it. EMP duplicate, we will try it. Yeah, two data are there, but it is different. Okay, anyhow we will see this, how to add the column that we discussed. Anyhow we will see one more thing. What is the query for that to add the column? Let you see this command, alter table. You can read the highlighted one in the yellow color. You can see alter table, table name, add column name and the data type. Okay, this is the syntax for that. Okay, alter table, this is the thing, and table name, what are the table name which we like to add the column. Okay, the table name, add column name, the new column name. Okay, then and its data type, what type of the data type we are going to use for the column, for the field. Okay, that is the query for to create a, or to add a, not create, to add a new column into the existing table. Okay, that I will show that this is the existing table. EMP dupe 1 is the existing table. How to add the city? Okay, so suppose we are going to add the city means, let I will show that. What is the command? What I said? Alter. Yeah, can you say that?
Alter table name.
Table name. What is the table name?
Table name.
EMP-DUP1. Okay,
EMP-DUP1.
EMP-DUP1. Okay, alter table name and add column name. What is the column name? City, suppose,
City.
is the column name. And what is the data type? We need to mention the data type of. For example, varchar, I'm just giving 30. Okay. So if I just give means, you can see the new column will be created. I will show that the previous thing, or else I will just 1 minute. You can see this. So city will be added. The new column will be added. By default, it is taking what? Null as a default. Okay. So let me use default value. Suppose default value, if you want to set default, one constraint is there, no? We have seen primary constraint, unique constraint, not null, default, and check constraint, isn't it? So how to set the default value, sir? Okay. So I'm going to create one more column to that. In that column, the default value, the value is not given means how to set the default value. I will see that. Okay. So I'm just giving, what is the table? What is the command? Alter table name. So what is the table name?
Table name.
EMP2. Okay.
EMP-DUP1.
EUP1. Yeah. Dup1. What is the thing? We need to add the column. No, add column name. So city we added. Can you say another one? State shall I give? For example, country I will give it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
country
sir.
is the table. Suppose a field name. Okay. One more column we are going to add it. Okay. Country name and its data type is varchar. Again, I'm giving the same text data type. So suppose I'm just giving 20. Okay. And here we need to use default. Okay, default space, then in this double quotes we need to give the default value. Suppose the default value is India. Suppose I given like that means, let you see. Okay, now I will show the table. Now you can see this, the new table has created. What is the new, sorry, I'm so sorry, new column has created, that is named as country. Okay, the default value is what? Default value is what? Null. City we created, we didn't give any default value, we didn't define any default value. That's what null will be considered,
Yes, sir.
taken as a default value. In this above code, in the last code, you can see this, I'm highlighting in the yellow color. So you can see alter table, we are adding one more column to it. In these things we are using the default constraint. So that's what I already said. Let me see one by one constraint later. Okay, so default constraint,
Yes, sir.
have you understand? So default value,
Yes, sir.
which
Understood.
value want, yeah, which value we want to automatically, if we give means, for example, instead of null, India will become, okay, the value which we given, that will be present in the table. Okay, have you understand this? Remaining students, Selvaram understood. What about remaining? What about remaining members? Have
Yes,
you all
sir. Yes, sir.
understand? Yeah, how to
Akka
add
understood,
the,
sir.
how to add a new column, that you learned it, and how to set the default constraint. That is the second concept. That's what I created the table. Okay, how to set the what is the thing? Default constraint value to the specific column. Okay, suppose at the time of creation, table creation itself, we can give it also. That is another case. For example, how to create the table? You know, create table name, and fields we are giving, no, the type of field you can see, field name space data type of the field, then we have to give the word default and the default value for the column, the field, I'm saying. Have you understand this one? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Understood, sir.
this is the thing. Suppose let me go to the update. Now we are going to see one more thing. Sir, it is null is there, sir, but Selva is come from one place. I want to update the value, sir. How to update it? Very simple. That I will say the update. This is the query. You can start to see that. Okay, update table name. Okay, update. What is the table name we used? I think I forgot. 1 minute. What is the table name? EMP Dupa. Where it is? Of course, EMP-DUP, isn't it? That was the table name. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let you see 1 minute. Yeah. Update. So for example, Silva, he is from the IT department. His salary is 50,000. Okay. The city is null. Sir, I want to update the value, sir. He is come from this place. How to update, sir? Very simple. This is a basic query. Update table name. What is the table name? EMP-DUP1. Okay.
DUP1.
Yeah. EMP-DUP1, I think so. Is it? Yeah. EMP-DUP1 only, man.
Correct only, sir.
Yeah, update table name and set. This is one of the keyword. SET. Set means it is, the keyword is used to set the value. Okay. So update is one command. By using the command, we are setting a value. Update table name, set column name. Okay, what is the column? For example, what is the column here? City. Okay, city. Okay, that is the column name we are giving. We have to give the value. What city? Suppose Selvaram is come from. For example, which city man you are? Can you say that?
Virudhachalam, sir.
Virudhachalam. What is the spelling? VI?
VRA, sir. Okay, correct only, sir. CHA,
PRI? Hmm.
RA, DDHA,
DDHA?
CHALAM.
LAM. Okay. So this is the city name I'm just giving. I should give in the quote. Okay, I just given it. Okay, set field name and value. Okay, then where we need to set the value? We are giving the command, update the command. Which table we are updating? EMP dupe name we given. That is the table name we given. Fine. Okay. In which field in this table we update city equal to Virudhachalam. Okay. So where we need to, we have to use definitely where condition. Okay. Where, what is the thing? For Silva EMP, by based on the name or EMP for example, unique department is unique means we can use, or else better we will do with the EMP ID. Okay, now I will show that EMP ID equal to 1. Okay, suppose if I give this command, you can see this. I will show the command. Okay, now you can see the Silveram value will be changed. Before it was null, now it is updated. Have you understand?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
understand the
Understood,
query?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Remaining students also, you can write down the query, note down the query. That query will be useful for whenever you done the project, afterwards you want to update. Suppose in one of your customer want to update his phone number or update the mobile number, how to do means very simple, by using the query. What is the thing? Update query. Update table name. What is the syntax means? Update table
சார்
name.
இங்க பேசாம EM எம்ப்ளாயி நேம் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு செல்வானே போட்டுக்கலாம் சார்.
Of course we can do it.
Sir.
Suppose two Selva is there means, okay, I understood. In this table we can use where condition, we can give where EMP name equal to Selva we can give, or else where department equal to IT we can give. Okay, that is okay. But if it is a very lengthy
yes.
table means, we should always use the unique value. You know, two Selva person, maybe two Selvas maybe work in the same industry. Okay, both the person may work in the same department also too. Am I right? So where department equal to ID, if you're giving means who are all working in department, every value will be changed. All the value will be changed into Virudhachalam. So it will corrupt the table. So once we corrupt the table means we cannot roll back it. That's a very important thing. The SQL, what is the dangerous thing means, it is not, I'm not saying we can roll back it, but what is the thing? The data will be changed, everything for the constraints based on the condition we are giving. So we much very much careful how we are giving the data. Okay, that is very important. Let you see this. Have you understand? So shall we do for Krishna also?
Okay, sir.
Okay, say the
Yes, sir.
query.
Yes, sir.
Tell the
Yes,
query.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the
Update
query? Yeah, update.
Update
EMP dupe
Take
1
employee do
table name. That's what syntax is. Table name. So table name is
table name.
EMP
table
EMP dupe 1
dup1.
do
Yeah, yeah. Update table name
city
set
and set. Okay, set column
set
name. What is the column
city
name?
is equal to
City.
column name.
See, that is
city
column name is field
City
name equal to, we
is
need to
equal
give the
to
value. Okay.
blue
Suppose
Neyveli.
Krishna Prasad is come from
Neyveli.
Neyveli.
Okay. Am I right? The spelling is
Where?
Yes,
Yes.
okay.
correct.
Very
Oh
good.
yes, sir.
So city we given.
Where
Where EMP
Very
ID
good.
is equal to
Where
2.
EMP ID is equal to 2.
EMP ID.
EMP ID is equal to 2. 2.
Okay. Yes. So
Simple,
if
sir.
we, yeah, if we give means, then we will get the
Sir,
score.
even we can set,
Yes. Yes.
sir, if it is like 10 members, they are there in IT department and all should be given a same set like this,
Yes.
no, sir?
Yes. That is also. For example,
Okay,
for your
sir.
case, I'm saying all the IT people are coming from one place, from one city means. Then
Yes, sir.
where department equal to. But it is in real time it is different. No, no.
Okay, sir.
So is it possible all the people IT people?
Yes, sir. For that salary we can take, no, sir. Salary, if all IT department members will should get 50,000 means you can update like.
Of course, for salary updation, we can do. For example,
Yes, sir.
the company owner has said that, okay, who are all working in IT department, his basic salary is 50,000. Whether they are getting 25,000, 30,000, not a matter. all the IT department minimum salary is 50,000. If they given the work, give the word means if you want to update, of course, if you want to update, that means we can give what is the query?
Yes,
Update table name, set salary equal to 50,000. That is his number, no? So within the, we no need to mention double quote or single quote. Directly we can give the value where department equal to ID. Sorry, IT. Have you understand? Or where department equal to HR.
okay, sir.
Yeah, likewise also we can change for entire group of people. Likewise we can set this, or else we can use the group by class we discussed, no, in the last chapter. That also we can use it. Group by having,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
that concept also we can, it is we can able to use it in this concept. Okay, I hope you understand how to add a what is the thing? Add a column and how to add a default constraint to the column. That is the second point. And third point is how to update the value. Okay, the three things you learned it, isn't it? Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
okay. So you know how to insert a column, how to insert a row. You know, can you say how to insert a row? It's a basic one, no?
Yes, sir.
Can you say? Yes, Chandru. Can you say the answer? How to insert a
Sir,
row?
record, create table.
Create table. I'm asking. I want to add one column. Just now we discussed how to add a column. I want to add one more row
Oh,
to the table. How? Very basic query. The question you should understand.
Insert into
My
table.
God, the basic, man, Chandru. You don't know. Insert into table name values of the
Table name,
what are the field?
values of, then
oh,
the
ಅದು
values,
sir. Okay,
EMP
okay,
ID,
sir.
EMP name values.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's what Chandru. Have you understand how you are getting the confused?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, row means you don't
Okay,
get
okay, sir.
confused. Row means we are entering the record. How to insert a record? That's what we want to know. The alternate name for record is otherwise called as row, tuple, entity. We discussed in this DBMS chapter, no, RDBMS chapter. What is the alias name, alternate name for that? So that also we want to keep it in mind. Then only, or else we may think it's a mega thing. We are different. Our thinking will be goes in different way. Okay, so we go to the next one. So we learned it how to alter the table and add the value and default constraint also we given. That is also we discussed. Okay, two constraints we completed: primary key constraint as well as default. Okay, let me one more examples. Then whenever we are seeing, we will use another constraint also. Let me see it. Next concept is, okay, dropping a column. Dropping means delete a column. How to delete a column, sir? If you are asking this, let you see one column is there that you want to, that you like to delete. Okay, very simple. You can see what is the command. You can see I am highlighting drop, sorry, alter table, table name. Okay, alter table name, drop column name. Okay, I'm saying alter table, table name is here ABC Limited. Okay, and drop column name is what? That is column means field. Another name is, what is another name for field? What is another name? Attribute.
Entity.
No, the entity means
Oh,
row,
sorry, sir.
man.
Okay, sir.
Attribute.
Row,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Attribute we can say.
Attributes.
Yes. That's what we are using often different terms means it will be in your mind automatically. It will be registered. That's what. Okay. Alter
Yes, sir.
table name, drop column name. This is the syntax. Alter table name, drop column name. Okay. So let me see our own example also. Okay. For example, I want to delete the country, sir. Can you say that? What is it?
Sir, these functions will work on only, sir.
Yeah. I'm hearing. Yes. Hello.
These functions will work on only columns, no, sir. Rows operation we cannot do, sir.
Row
In
means we
this,
can
with
delete
this.
only. We have to use the delete command,
Yes, sir.
the same method only.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Based on the condition, we can delete where by using the where class.
Yes, sir.
Where EMP
Okay, sir.
name or department wise like this, we can delete it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. First, if you want to delete a column means that's what. What is the syntax we discussed? Alter. Alter
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 table.
EMP
Table
dump
name.
one.
EMP DUP1.
group
Sorry.
1.
DUP1.
Drop.
Alter table name. Then drop. That is
Drop.
the main
Drop
command. Drop means delete.
field
Okay.
name.
Drop
DROP.
field name. What is the field
Yes,
name
sir.
or
Yes, sir.
column name? Country.
Country.
Okay.
Country.
So country I just given. You can see. 1 minute. Now you can see this. I will show these things. Okay. Now you can see the country column will be deleted. Have you understand? Likewise, we can delete. It is only possible by last column, sir. Not like that. Okay. We are giving the which column individually. I want to delete EMP name. I want to delete salary column. Whatever it is, we can delete it. Okay. That's the main thing. Okay. I hope you understand how to delete a column from the table, isn't it? Have you understand this one?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, now can you say that how to delete a row from the table? Again, the question is goes to Chandru. Okay, anybody, can you say that? How to delete a row from table? Hmm.
Delete
Yes.
command.
Ah.
Delete.
Hmm. Say that.
Uh,
Delete.
delete star from.
Delete star means all, man. Delete from.
Yeah.
For
Yes, sir.
example,
Delete.
yes.
Delete
Delete.
from
Yeah, you can.
table.
DLET. Suppose I want to delete the HR department. Okay, suppose I want to delete the Krishna or else employee number 2 or who is coming from
Yes, sir.
Neyveli. If I want to delete means let I do. For example, if I want to
Sir,
delete Silva or whatever thing, let you see delete. What is
சார்
it?
நான் சொல்றேன் சார், கரெக்டா பாருங்க சார்.
Yes, please. Yes, tell me. That's what I'm waiting for.
Delete from
Very good. Hmm.
table name. அது table name என்ன? Dump
What?
EMP dump one.
EMP DUP1. Dump. Okay.
Dump one.
Dupe one man. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, EMP
Where
one. Yeah. Where? Very good. Very good.
where EMP ID.
Super. EMP ID equal to, we are giving suppose
எதை
1.
delete பண்ண?
If
எதை
you want
delete
to
பண்ணுங்க
delete
சார்?
that means you can see.
Okay, one.
Suppose I want to delete the EMP1 means you can see this. One row deleted. Okay. So now if I show means second record only there. Suppose I want to delete the second number means by based on EMP ID, EMP name or department wise, salary wise, whatever thing. Selvaram, have you understand now how to delete it? I think, have you got the clarity?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
remaining
sir.
people also, remaining students also. Have you all understand that? Only Selvaram Chandru is talking. What I mean, they
Yes,
are
sir.
answering.
Understand, sir.
Good.
Break.
Okay, good.
சார் எனக்கே
So,
செல்வா சொன்னக்கு அப்புறம் சார் ஞாபகமா இருக்கு, இந்த from சொன்னக்கு அப்புறம்.
yes, this is a basic query. Okay, this is the way to delete a what is the thing? Delete a row from the table. Delete a column we discussed. Of course, delete a column means what is the command? Alter table name, then drop column name. That's what I'm saying the syntax again. Okay, 2 times, 3 times I'm pronouncing the syntax. In order you want to take a note side by side, you write in your note. That will be easy. Okay, so that is the syntax for deleting a column. Suppose you want to delete a particular row alone, how to means what is the thing? Delete from table name and where condition. This is the syntax. That is delete from table name where condition. The condition may be based on employee ID, employee name, department, whatever it may be, city. Okay, so we based on the condition the table will be the rows will be get deleted. Suppose department equal to where, department equal to HR. Suppose you given means all the HR people will be get deleted. Suppose a table contain 10 HR means 10 HR people working in the department means. Have you understand this? So while you are giving the command, query, you should be very much careful how it will be affected. That is also very important. Okay, 1 minute more, children. You can rejoin the meeting again. So let me discuss the rest of the things in the next meeting. That is in the upcoming class. Immediately rejoin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please
Sir,
go through
on
that.
the
Yeah. Yes.
sir on the salary change பண்ணி காட்டணும்.
Salary I want to change. Very good. So how to do the updation? What we does? How we did? For example, 70,000 is there. Suppose I want to change into 80,000. You can see update. Oh, it's not typing. 1
Voice
minute.
breaking, sir.
Yes. 1 minute. 1 minute. Joined. Let me start the session also. Okay. So you
Yes,
can
sir.
see
All
you asked
joined.
that suppose you want to change the salary. 70,000 it was there. Okay. So suppose I want to update the salary. Very simple. I'm just typing it again. It will get hanged. 1 minute. Yes, it's now working. Okay, we have to give the command, use the command update. Okay, update and table name. What is the table name here? EMP DUP, isn't it? So
EMP Dupe 1.
EMP Dupe 1.
one. Okay, Dupe 1. Okay. So there is an update table. There is update table name set. The two keywords we are using. Update is the command and set is a keyword we are using. Of course, update also a keyword. Update table name, set value name. Value name means we need to give the column. Okay. So which column we need to set the
Salary.
value? Yes. Salary is the column which we need
Salary
to
is equal
set
to
the value. Yes. Salary. Then value we need to fix it. Equal to. Suppose
Yes,
I want to give
1 lakh.
80,000. Suppose, okay, 1 lakh. 1 minute, 1 minute. It's getting 1 minute. Yes. Okay, 1 lakh we given. Set salary equal to 1 lakh where? That is very important. Condition is where.
Yes,
Where
Yes,
we
sir.
need to set the conditions. Suppose, then you can see here only one record is there, not an issue. Suppose, I'm just generally I'm saying where EMP ID equal to, okay, 2.
EID
Or else,
is equal to 2.
always we are using it. Let me use the department also. Okay, for example, I'm saying where department equal to, what is the department? HR is the department. Okay, so where department equal to HR, if we use means, then you can see this. So the query got updated. I'm showing it now. The salary is updated. Have you understand, Sriram? Have you understood? Hello.
Sir,
Yeah. So likewise we can update it. Okay, so we have seen how
Sir.
to update. Yes, yes,
sir,
yeah. Ask your
சார்
question.
அது வந்து இப்ப
Ah.
சார் அதான் சார் அப்டேட் இஎம்பி செட் salary is equal to 1 lakhன்னு போட்டு வேர் எம்ப்ளாயி நேம் is equal to கிருஷ்ணா அப்படின்னு போடலாம்ல சார்?
Definitely we can give it. Definitely we can give. Why we are not considering the employee name means, I will tell the reason. Suppose two Krishna is working. Basically, we have to do operation. Generally, it is a what is the thing? It's a ethic. Okay. Whenever we are using the SQL, that is database, we have to only concentrate on the primary key. That is, which are all unique value. Based on the value only, we have to do the particular operation means. For example, Silvaram said one example, sir, all the HR people, the salary want to update, sir. Then if you want to do for a group of people means, that time we can take the department. Okay, the salary is set by what? Based on the department they are working. Okay, or else a particular employee, suppose the employee is working very properly, we want to give one hike. Okay, we want to give some increment means, then based on the particular employee ID. Okay, not by name. Suppose two Krishna are there. If you suppose we give an EMP, employee name equal to Krishna means two Krishna value will be get updated. That's what I'm saying. Suppose in this case it is okay.
Sir.
Whenever dealing with the large database means. Yes, Sriram. I'm listening. Yes.
இப்போ ஒரே டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல 2 கிருஷ்ணா கூட இருப்பாங்களா சார்? அப்ப எம்ப்ளாயி ஐடி யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்ல சார்?
Of course, that's what I'm saying, man. That is what I'm saying. So whenever, in order to avoid the confusion, for example, the same department, two Krishna is there. Okay. So instead of, suppose the manager is saying that give increment for the Krishna, then suppose the manager is asking. For example, the owner is saying to the, or else the manager is saying to the team leader, okay, give 10,000 increment for Krishna. Then the manager might ask, okay, which Krishna, sir? Okay, who is working in HR department? Again, one more condition, one more confusion may happen. Sir, two Krishnas are working in the HR department, sir. You are meaning whom? That is, you are pointing which Krishna, sir? They may ask the question. So, what is the ultimate source? Based on the employee ID, isn't it? So, for the employee ID, whose employee ID is 3, suppose whose employee ID is 2, for them you just give the what is the thing? You can give a increment or whatever it may be, increment or changing the value or updating the mobile number, whatever purpose. Have you understand that? So that's what the employee
Yes,
ID is very prominent in the table. Likewise, in the two students table, student name, roll number is the prominent. That is a prominent means which is very important. It's a very important in the student details. Likewise, employee, for each detail something is important, some field is important. Okay, so based on the field only, the field should be unique. That is the importance. Okay, I hope you got it, isn't it, Sriram? Have you got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Let me go to the next one. Okay, let me see these things. And we have seen in the last, I mean, not before the updation, we have seen how to what is the thing? Delete a row from the table based on the condition that we have discussed. Okay, so let me go to the slide. Have you understand how to, sorry, how to drop the column? Okay, how to drop a column, how to drop, that is delete a record. Record means row. Both the things we discussed, isn't it? So we completed this one. Let me go to the next thing. Alter table, modifying column. Modifying column means modifying the values of the, not values means I'm not saying this, changing the data type. Okay, how to change the data type? Let you see, I already said in this starting of the class. I hope you will remember. Suppose integer is there, integer to tiny int, small int, okay, that is possible. Integer to big int, it is possible. And big int to integer, it is not possible because big int size is different. That is, and tiny int or small int is little bit because it's accompanying only
Yes,
9
sir.
digits, isn't it?
And
So,
even varchar cannot be converted into integer,
yes.
or integer cannot be
Yeah,
converted into
varchar, that
varchar.
is variable character, we cannot convert into the integer because integer is entirely different data type. There is a number data type. Varchar is a text data type. Okay, there is a string data type. So varchar into character, we can convert it. Or else varchar size itself, we can convert it. That's what we are given one example also. I hope you can remember. Suppose we set the employee name is 20, varchar is of 20 we given. Here in this thing, you can see the example that will be better, I think. So it will be easy for you understanding. Name varchar of 30 they given. Suppose one employee is there, okay, who's having a very lengthy name. Suppose example I am saying, but his character is up to 31, it's coming. So for that, what we can do? If you cut the name means also, what will happen? Shortly, if you given the name also, sometimes it will giving some problem also, whatever it may be. So suppose if you want to change the data type means you can see varchar, what is the command you can see? The square shape yellow color line, you can see alter table, table name. Okay, modify field name, modify. Here one more keyword is there, modify. Okay, before we have seen what we drop we have seen, add we have seen, isn't it? To add a column, add we used. For
Yes, sir.
drop a column, the delete a column, we use drop keyword. Okay, here what is the thing? Modify. Okay, so alter table, table name, that is emp is a table name, suppose, and modify means we are changing. Okay, modify table name, that is, sorry, field name. Modify field name, which field? Already existing field only we can modify it. Okay, so the existing field name and its new data type. It's not old data type and new data type. Suppose name, it was there already 30. Suppose I want to be converted into 40, sir, or else we given 40. Sir, no name is there 40. It's a waste of memory. Better I will use 20, sir. If you want to change means you can use it. Have you understand? So that is the scope of the modification of the data type. That is very important. Okay. Suppose I'm giving EMP ID integer a user. You can see in the same table. Integer data type only they use for employee ID, sorry, employee number. Okay, the employee number is they given integer. So that much of lengthy digit is not needed. 11 digits number employee, it's not. Okay, better we will go with tiny int or small int. 4 digits or 6 digits we may use it, isn't it? So for that we can use what? Tiny int we can use or small int we can use. Okay, so for that we can change the data type also. Okay, that is the meaning. Okay, have you understand that? I think if you need the example,
Yes,
Understood,
sir.
sir.
go for it, or else if you understand means let me go to the next topic. Shall we go to the next topic or shall we see one example?
Sir, நம்ம update function யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் சார்.
Update means value. If you want to, that's what, it's a good question also. Modify means modifying the core items. Core items means fields are core. No, that is very important. No, we are making any changes over the field means we have to use the keyword modify. Value alone, if you want to change, sir, last example, Sriram asked, the salary we want to change, sir, update the salary, sir. I want to update my phone number. The old phone number you want to delete. This is a new SIM I bought yesterday only. Likewise, if you want to update the value means that time only you have to use the keyword update. You should know the difference between update is different, modify is different, man. Have you got
Yes,
it?
sir. Understood, sir.
Good.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the one of the concept, alter table, modifying column. Modifying column means how to change the data type. Data type alone we are discussing. That's what. Data definitions. That also we can say. Data definition means what is the data type? What's the allocation. For example, 30 is the allotted value. Instead of they are updating into 40, you can see this example in the screen also. Okay, so this was the concept. Okay, let you go to the another one. Okay, and changing column name. Now you can see we are change another one keyword we are supposed to use, that is called change. Column name itself I want to change, sir. Okay, previously I given one column name. Now I want to use another column name. How to change? Very simple. You can see alter table name. I'm here. I'm showing the cursor. Alter table name. That is EMP is a table name. Change another one keyword. Change name. That is old name space new name and this data type. This is a syntax. You can write the syntax. We will discuss tomorrow also. Not an issue. Okay, I will complete it. I
Okay, sir.
note down the syntax. Alter table name. Alter table name. Alter table means it's a common keyword. Okay, then table name. What are the table name that we have to give? Okay, change old field name. Old field name is not old field name, existing field name. You can use in your own term also. Okay, existing field name. Existing field is what? Name. Okay, so that field alone I want to change into e name. Okay, so existing field name, new field name, space, no need to give comma, existing field name, one space, new field name and its data type. What is the new field name data types? Okay, but here also what is the one of the condition? We should use the same data type only. For example, varchar of 40 if I used means I should use what? Varchar of 40 only. Okay, we are, what is our scope is what? Changing the column name only. Suppose I want to change the this data type name, sir, then we have to use what? The previous things. What are the
Modify.
Yes, very good, very good. So modify we have to use. That's what you just note down this. Tomorrow we will see the examples for two commands. Then we will discuss it because it you may
Okay, sir.
easily get the confused between the modify and change. Okay, same thing only, but
Okay, sir.
few difference only there. Very simple difference. I hope you got it. Anyhow, we will see with the very explained manner in tomorrow class. Okay, once we completed means
Okay, sir.
after that some more things are there. Afterwards, we will see the rest of the constraints. Check constraint, unique constraint, not null. Likewise, we have seen. We will see some of the constraints, and next class we will see about the foreign key also. Okay. Okay, students. Very
Okay, sir.
nice time with you. Have a good day.
Thank
Thank
you.
you to all. Thank you.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
have a
Thank
good
you,
day,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.